doing the meet and greets before stage time, I met a young man called Chad, and he asked me if I could dedicate this song to his brother James. And yeah, this is a song called Free as a Bird, and this is for you, Chad and James. I've been tearing down the walls, I've been kicking down the doors, I've been burning all the boxes, 'cause I'm a slave to only truth. I'm as wild as a wolf, you can't keep me from the mountains. Now I'm replacing all my demons for the sweetest songs of freedom. Last night I had a dream that I could fly. Now baby, I'm as free as a bird, I'm as free as a bird, baby, I don't know if you've heard, I don't know if you've heard, but I taught myself to sing, and I found me a pair of wings. Now baby, I'm as free as a bird, I'm as free as a bird. I've been flying through the trees, I've been dancing on the breeze, I kiss the sun now every morning, and I've been shaking off the chains, I've been giving up the games, I've been answering my calling. See, as soon as I surrender, the light began to enter. Last night I had a dream that I could fly. Now baby, I'm as free as a bird, I'm as free as a bird, baby. I don't know if you've heard, I don't know if you've heard, but I taught myself to sing, and I found me a pair of wings. Now baby, I'm as free as a bird, I'm as free as a bird. So this next